Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we will be learning about React Router DOM in detail and how it is useful. We will be discussing all of it. So let's create an app npm create y read at the rate latest. Okay, and we will select React and simple JavaScript and cd project npm install and npm run dev, and our project will be good to go. Wheat is good because it is super fast than npx create react app. It takes a hell lot of time. So let me get back to you when it is done. So we are done. Let's write npm run dev, and so it will start working. Let me show you the folder structure. Source and our app is running from app.js. Let's click this link and see. So as it is going on, let me just show you the template. So it is the basic template. Okay. So we will just clear all this mess around here. So we don't need anything. Uh, let's just keep everything like that. So let me show you now it's clear. So let's make an navbar here, navbar.jsx. So we have a navbar. Let's create, and it is says I am a navbar just for simplicity. And let's add two more pages. mm, about.jsx, let's say, and another contact.js. Okay, so we have these both, and I am what control S about. I am about. So we have all of this. Let's write nav var here. Nav var. So it will automatically import. This statement has been imported, and our nav var is here. I am nav var. So um. in the nav bar, let's make an unordered list and list item in which I have an anchor tag which takes me to the specific paths, I guess. Let's write here. We have two pages about, and we have a contact role S. So nav, we have write never. Okay, spelling mistake, but we have our navbar ready. Let's start and go to the React Router DOM. And let's go to the tutorial section. We will be learning from the latest version. So first of all, it says we have to import these two things in our app.jsx. And let's just import them. Uh-oh, wrong import. We have to import it outside the component. Okay, so we have the component ready. Let's go, and now let's make our route here. So basically what it is an array of objects in which we will be specifying our paths and elements. So let's, on the base path, I will give Navar. Navar. Okay. So further continuing, let's go and use the React provider, which is the main thing. And instead of Navar here, we will write this. And I will basically get the same I am Navar on the base root. And let's give it another path here. path and it will be slash contact, and the element here will be our contact form. Contact. So such a nonsense I have done. I've given this contact and about small letters. So let me come back and just convert them into capital. So yeah, I have converted them to capital letter. My mistake. Let's write here contact. Contact. So it will basically take some time for the extension to, so we have to manually import them. Contact, and look, it's giving small c. I have to write basically capital C, and let's go to our website and contact. So yeah, basically let's make an other path and then we will do the things in the navbar navbar slash, and let's write here what it is about. ABOUT, about, and for the element I will write here about. ABOUT. So yeah, it has imported, but will have been imported with small a. I have to write capital A and control S, and our app is working fine. So let's go to the nav bar here and give the href here. It is about and font. Let's click on about and it goes to I am about, and contact. It says I am contact. But as you can see, whenever I click this, my page gets a reload. Look here. Uh, Look here, basically here, and about, and it gets reload. I click I am. To solve this problem, we have the link tag provided by the React Router DOM. We can basically replace the anchor tag by this link tag and this href tag by this to tag. And let me do the same here. Uh, Link, link, closing tag. We have to basically put the slash here and also this slash right here. So let's save it and let's go to our